How to earn USDT in Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can earn USDT in Binance. So without any further delay, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to earn USDT in Binance, you need to launch the Binance app and you have to have a verified account. Since I don't have a verified account right now, I'm just gonna tell you briefly on how you can earn USDT in Binance. So first of all, open up your Binance application. As I said, after opening up, you just need to, you will be able to see this home screen. So on the bottom, you will be able to see wallet section if you have verified account. On the section of portfolio right now, just tap on that and here you will be able to see your coins. So here after seeing there, you just need to go to spot and make sure that your funding is in spot wallet, and under spot you have to tap on USDT. After that, you just need to tap on USDT under spot, and after tapping on it, you will be redirected to a page where you can see an option called earn USDD APR up to 17.09%. So just click on it and then it will redirect you to on the next page where you can basically stake your USD and you can earn USDT easily. So after that, you just need to tap on USDT option and then it will ask you how much amount of USDT you want to stake. You may just enter the amount that you want to earn in Binance, and after that you just need to have to confirm the button in the bottom, and just like that you can earn USDT in Binance. So therefore, by following this method, you can earn USDT in Binance by following those steps. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.